Hi, welcome to the Starving Dog Reviews. It's Sunday, Sunday, Sunday! You want to win DVDs? You want to win movie passes? Tell your mama, tell your friends, tell your Aunt Mimi about Starving Dogs Reviews.
Before Starving Dogs Reviews, I didn't know what to go see. Now the Academy Awards ask me what awards to give.
You may be asking yourself, where's Devin Winter? There is no Devin Winter!
Poof, he's gone.
In all seriousness, Devin Winter is now bicycling across Europe and has turned the driving review over to us.
Shh, he's tied up in my basement.
If you want to win free DVDs and if you want to win free movie passes, all you have to do is be a subscriber. Subscribe to our videos, leave comments, and every month we'll have a drawing. You can win any of these great DVDs.
Watch our stuff to win videos.
And check in every week at youtube.com/driving-review for the latest in movie reviews.
You want to be cool like Bobby Downey Jr.? Well, I do too. So start watching our show over at youtube.com/starvingdogs.
Qui se passe en nous laissant vivre. On laisse passer ces choses.